on the mic again.
Mr. Dave Lavaki, also known as Mr. Grin, has made himself a name in Fiji and beyond as a rapper, poet and music producer. The Rain Project has asked him to produce Ezra's song. Ezra is the philosopher of the group, who also uses rap to bring across his potent message. Let's see what happened when they met at the FPC office.
This is Mr. Grin and this is Ezra. So we decided with Dave to actually meet you before the studio so that you don't like just walk in and then so you guys kind of get to know each other a little bit.
It's really good to finally meet you in person. I was really impressed by audition. You don't find a lot of young gang that write like that, so I was really blown away by your lyrics. Yeah, so when I heard that, I was like, wow, that's a win, and rap is where you spill your heart out, and I think that's what you do. And I think that it's very fitting that you're in the Rain Project because you, when I was listening to your songs, like you're singing on behalf of the country, not just on behalf of yourself.
You know, this is, you might not know it, but this is actually a big deal for me. No, I'm not just saying that because you here, no. I'm saying that, man, ever since your song Paradise.
Paradise, the place that I'm living. On my way to work, I pass the Coromo prison just after the cemetery, where half of my family is buried. Our stop on earth is only temporary.
I was actually, I kind of like found you as a local artist, you know. You really been working on this my whole life, and just to be here with you. I don't even know what to say.
The way you and I see rap is quite similar. Like, even though we haven't actually said that this is the first time I met you, but just watching the way what you do with the rap and all, I said, oh, I think this fellow is getting come from the same tree. So it's gonna be cool. It'll be good fun. It'll be interesting to see what happens when we record and do what we do.
And Save, also known as Junior Bursova, joined them to sit down for a chat, and the short chat turned into a 30-minute empowerment session. Good stuff, Mr. Green.
Hi, Johnny from Onyadi Studios.
Hi, I'm Ben from Onyadi Studios, and we are the Senirogo brothers. So yeah, we are going to be producing Anna's songs and single.
They have their own recording studios called Only Ideas Studio, and they've been doing amazing covers. If you haven't seen those, check Only Ideas Studios out on YouTube. One thing that I wanted to do today is to get Anna to actually sing her original song for you guys. You say you run away, but where are you now? Don't wait for everything you hear. Don't look back, there's nothing else to see. Don't cry, and waste your tears. Go on. So you guys like the song?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be exciting. What's the name of the song?
Go on.
Go On. Title of the song, Go On. So Fiji, this is just the initial stages to Anawango's song being produced again by Only Ideas Studio, the Senirogo brothers.
After the meeting with the producer, the whole Rain team jumped into the FPC van to go on a special adventure, something most of the emerging artists have never done before, which for some of them would turn out to be a great challenge.
You'll find a girl like you, I'll find a guy like me, and then things will be the way they're meant to be. We can travel.
Hi, we are here in Garden City, and we're here at Newman's Film Studio, photography and cinematography, I think it's it. Yes, so we're having, all of them are having their profile shots, the artists look. So I've told them to just bring their own artist look.
Keep on going to the keep listening. Because the nation feels we probation beginnings. All we niggas only streamers and my strap that it is separate and they need to see us cleaning up the spirit.
some of your performance or whatever it is, and then I'll take a few pictures while you're
I think it's a shocker for them. It's the first time, so just even getting them to be in their zone. It's quite a challenge, but I think they're getting the hang of it slowly. 3 down.
Oh, smile, smile. You look a bit nervous there.
Whoa, whoa, stay young forever. If you just fly high, high with me, if you just fly high, high with me to Neverland.
Before we forget, also a big thank you to Jason Chute, Director of Lumen Studios. Great job! See you next week.